Hi, welcome back to another tutorial video. Today we are going to learn how to remove flash shadows in Photoshop. Assuming that you already infused the photo, time to add the basic adjustments to it. Make the photo bright and well balanced. When you are done adjusting the photo, move it to Photoshop. Here we are going to remove the flash shadow of the fan in the ceiling. Duplicate the layer. I use the Path tool to soften the shadow. Then use the Clone Stamp tool to remove the shadow. You can adjust the opacity depending on how you need it. Then, I select the ceiling using the Magic Wand tool and use the Dodge tool to lighten the dark area. Then use the Brush tool to remove the color cast on the ceiling. You can add more adjustments in Lightroom if you want to. And there you have it. That's how you remove flash shadows in Photoshop. Thank you for watching. I hope you find this video helpful. I'll see you guys in the next one.